Ever wondered what it's like to soar through the sky from a bird's perspective? Today, we follow one of nature's cleverest aviators, a crow, fitted with a lightweight camera, giving us the ultimate crow's eye view of the world below. The city shrinks beneath her. Cars glide like toys. Streets twist into patterns. Rooftops, parks, and lakes glow under a golden sunset. As twilight deepens, other crows join her. Wing to wing, she glides in silent formation across a sky painted in orange and blue. She lands briefly on a rooftop, sharing quiet moments before flight calls again. A fallen nut catches her eye, but she fights for it. Lift, drop, crack. Precision and patience turn effort into reward. Back at the nest, tiny beaks stretch upward. Food is shared. The young test uncertain wings while their guardian watches. Leaving the city behind, she glides into endless forest. A twig is selected, inserted into bark. A hidden grub wriggles free. Intelligence in action. Higher now, above hills and winding rivers brushed in autumn color. She perches on a bare branch overlooking the valley as others gather nearby. She sees a familiar, unsettling face and dives down to attack, her face forever imprinted in her mind. Then, a shadow. An eagle dives. The sky erupts in speed. Sharp turns, rapid drops. We weave between buildings and plunge into autumn leaves, branches closing around her to hide. Safe again. Always watching, always learning, always free. If this made you see the world a little differently, subscribe, because this is just one point of view.